Welcome back to the McCall's baking channel. Making the perfect color icing can be a challenge. However, we are pros at making colors and creating the perfect shade of frosting that you need. Today we will show you a quick guide on how to make the exact shade of green that you need. Let's get started! Start with a half cup of McCall's ReadyIce white frosting and McCall's leaf green gel food coloring. All of our color measurements will begin with half a cup of frosting, so keep this in mind when you go to mix your own colors. To make a light mint green colored frosting, add just 1 drop of leaf green food coloring. Mix it well and make sure to scrape the sides of the bowl to get every drop of the food coloring mixed in. We make a bright leaf green by using half a cup of McCall's ReadyIce frosting and 4 drops of leaf green food coloring. Gel food coloring is much stronger than a liquid food coloring you might find in a grocery store. It is also nice and thick and it will not make your frosting watery or too soft. To make lime green, use 2 drops of leaf green gel food coloring and 2 drops of lemon yellow food coloring. A little bit of gel food coloring goes a long way, so be sure to count those drops, and that tiny bottle will be able to decorate hundreds of cakes. You can make a beautiful avocado color using 6 drops of leaf green gel food coloring and 1 drop of McCall's orange gel food coloring. Every brand of food dye will vary slightly, so for these exact brilliant colors, be sure to use McCall's food coloring every time. A deep forest green can be made using 6 drops of leaf green and 1 drop of black gel food coloring. This color is perfect for any jungle-themed cake. Making an ocean-themed cake? Use 1 drop of leaf green and 2 drops of blue gel food coloring to make the perfect teal frosting. Look at those amazing shades of green. It all starts with some McCall's ReadyIce frosting and our amazing gel food colorings. No matter what your decorating needs are, McCall's can help. So check out mccalls.ca today to grab these gel food colorings and some ReadyIce frosting and so much more.